How do you ensure you have a diversified staff and that women and minorities are represented?
We work through our talent acquisition and our human resources to make sure that we have diverse candidates when we interview people. We also work with a program that we have that's called Year Up, where it is candidates or talent that hasn't taken the traditional college or four-year route and have been less fortunate. So we also work with that company and that program for our diverse talent as far as the different groups and as far as women and minorities. So those are a couple different ways. But then, we also work internally and really talk about, having our teams very diverse, because if we're not diverse, we're not going to have the great outcomes that we want to have if we're all alike.
I'm really blessed in that I'm at a company where the CEO is a woman, the CIO is a woman, the head of business strategy is a woman. So we've done a great job with gender diversity. We really value diversity in general. Across our company, we want to do more of it, including more gender diversity. And the way you do that is you have to make sure you are actively seeking out diverse slates, and you're developing the diverse talent in your organization. And you have to work at that at times to really bring diversity out and help it to flourish in the culture of your company and make it part of your culture.
We have a well-honed set of rigorous hiring practices. I'll give you some examples. We have recruiting techniques that are focused on diverse talent, and we require diverse candidate slates. We also require diverse interview slates, so the folks that are actually doing the hiring. And then, interestingly enough, we put all managers through unconscious bias training. Biases, especially the unconscious type, are some of the biggest barriers to hiring really people with diverse thoughts and patterns that are different from your own. And if you're a hiring manager, you're then put through a refresher training of unconscious bias training. And then the one other piece I'd highlight, which I think is pretty powerful, is just Merck as a corporation in its commitment to diversity and inclusion. And what we strive for is to make sure that there's psychological safety, so that employees are bringing their whole and their best self to their job every day. And then ultimately, that's what creates the best diverse team. So it's a variety of mechanisms for us, and we found that for nearly a decade now, that's how it works. That's kind of the secret sauce to diverse teams.